In this video, we are going to install this wired to wireless adapter provided by MMB for review. Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Greg, and in this channel I create product reviews, mods, install guides of cool car accessories and gadgets. Easily upgrade your wired Android Auto to a wireless connection. Easy to install, just plug in and pair. Compact design, measures at 1 inch by 0.9 inches. Include your Type-C to USB adapter and your user manual. If you're interested in this product, I'm going to leave the product link in the description below. Easy to install, so we have your device. We're going to go ahead and just plug that in. Then on your Android phone, you're gonna go to your Bluetooth, look for Smart Box. We're gonna go ahead and pair it with that. Hit pair. Uses 5.2 Bluetooth connection. A screen will pop up. We're gonna go ahead and enable. Then you can go ahead and click on Android Auto. Uses 2.4 and 5.8 gigahertz Wi-Fi. After the first successful connection, it will connect automatically. Let's go ahead and test the voice feature. Hey Google, what's the weather today?
Today in Seattle, there will be showers with a forecasted high of 71 and a low of 59. Currently it's 65 degrees and cloudy.
If you have not done so already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll bring you more content just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.